रिओ रॉयल ग्रुप ह्या 5 तारांकीत हॉटेलाच्या नव्या फाट्याचे उक्तावण उत्तर गोंयांत जातले म्हण मंगळारा घोषित केला. गोंयांत मेळिल्ल्या प्रतिसादाक लागून आनीक एक 5 तारांकीत हॉटेल घालपाचे हॉटेल धान्यांनी थारायला. 8 डेज गोवा खातीर म्हापशेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
The success of Royale, I would say, are the fantastic and loyal staff. Mainly, and 90% or 85% of our staff are from Goa. We try to employ people from Goa. In fact, I don't know whether you've been told, but this resort, both Resort Rio and Rio Royale, has come up from scratch. We employ carpenters here to make all our furniture. All the furniture that you see has been manufactured in Goa. So far as possible, we try to source everything locally. Rio Royale, as you know, is a 60-room old suite property. The emphasis of Rio Royale is going to be to give our guests a very high-end experience. We're still working on the experience, to give our guests, but the details are being worked on. You mean how many resorts, or just 2? Resort Rio Royale. But we have big plans. And we are in the process of constructing a boutique hotel in Goa.
Where exactly?
Wherein we are going to start the 3rd phase, which will be called either Rio Banquet or Rio Convention. We'll be adding another 55 to 60 rooms with a 800 to 1,000 person conference without any columns, and that we are planning to start construction in February or March.